Now the fourth family is carboxylic acid. You know the functional group is COOH and the name ends with OIC acid. Consider the first compound. OH. So first of all we can number this compound. We can start from here. So the numbering is from right to left. Since this functional group itself a carbon atom, it has a carbon atom, so the lowest number should be given to the functional group or the carbon atom attached to the functional group. Here the functional group itself has the carbon atom, so first number should be given to this functional group. That means COOH group should get the first number or the lowest number. So the numbering is from left to right and this is the longest chain. And there is a substituent or a prefix. So we can name this compound. So the substituent is methyl group. This is methyl group and that is in the second position. So we can start with 2-methyl. Then there are 3 carbon atoms in the parent chain. Parent chain contains 3 carbon atoms. So it is prop and single bond between carbon. So it is propan. Then oic acid, that is in the first position, or the functional group is in the first position. So we can write 1 OIC acid. So the IUPAC name is 2-methyl propan 1-oic acid. Consider another compound. So in this compound we can start from here. Numbering should be from right to left. So this is the longest chain and first number or the first position should be the functional group itself, since there is a carbon atom. So that carbon gets the first number and there is a substituent here, that is methyl group. So let us name this compound. So methyl group is in the third position. So we can start with 3-methyl. That is a prefix or the substituent. Then the word root is there are 4 carbon atoms. So we can write butane, single bond is there, so we can write AN here. So it is 3-methyl butane 1-OIC acid. So the functional group is in the first position, so we can add 1-oic acid. So the IUPAC name is 3-methyl butane 1-oic acid. So this is the third compound. Here there is the functional group. So we can start from here. So we can number this compound like this. So this is the correct way of numbering in order to get the longest chain. So if you are numbering like this, that means 1, 2 and 3. So we get the parent chain contains only 3 carbon atoms. If it is 1, 2 and 3, there are also 3 carbon atoms. If you are numbering like this 1, 2, 3 and 4, we get the longest chain contains 4 carbon atoms. So that is the parent chain. And the other part that is considered as a substituent. So 2 substituents are there. Both are methyl groups. That is actually in the second position. So we can name this compound. So second position 2 methyl groups. So 2,2-dimethyl, 2,2-dimethyl. Then comes the word root. Since there are 4 carbon atoms in the parent chain, so it is but. We can add butane and 1-OIC acid. So the IUPAC name is 2,2-dimethyl butane 1-oic acid. So this is another compound. Here the functional group is in the right side. So we can start from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So longest chain contains 4 carbon atoms and there are 2 substituents. One is a chloro group and the other one is a methyl group. So the this is a chloro group and this is a methyl group. So second position methyl group, fourth position chloro group. So how can we start? So consider the alphabetical order. Chloro comes first, C comes first, then M. So we can start with 4 chloro, 2 methyl, 4 chloro, 2 methyl. So C comes first, then M. So here we have considered the alphabetical order of substituents. 4 chloro, 2 methyl. So these are the prefixes. Then comes the word root, that is bute, butane, 1 OIC acid. So butane, 1 oic acid. Bute means 4 carbon atoms and first position functional group. So the IUPAC name is 4 chloro 2 methyl butane 1 oic acid.